2018 Subaru BRZ car review. Limited to some production run of just 500 for 2018. The Subaru BRZ may be the new benchmark version on the company's rear-wheel drive sports coupe. This dilated BRZ offers more grip and control than in the past while retaining the brilliant car's familiar well-balanced character. A spoiler alert, though, if you've always thought the BRZ needs another 100 horsepower, you'll come away through the TS knowledge about that belief intact. The good points of 2018 Subaru BRZ: stickier tires, firmer suspension, razor-sharp steering. The bad points of 2018 Subaru BRZ: still no longer power, only 500 units. Subaru and STI engineers described their goal in tuning the BRZ TS as pure handling delight, a mission basically but challenging to achieve in the vehicle Awachi renowned for its precision and balance. To reach its goal, Subaru has extensively tweaked the chassis. The sack stampers with the BRZ Limited's available performance package are actually tuned to cooperate with 18-inch STI wheels and, finally, stickier 21540R18 Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. The Brembo brakes from your performance package also make their way to the site. The loaded BRZ TS, with 12.8-inch discs in advance and 12.4 inches in the rear. They're coupled with STI springs which can be 15% stiffer right in front and 3% stiffer out back. There's an adaptable strut hour brace and a versatile lower front cross-member brace at the same time, which use ball joints, hence the flexible appellation to limit NVH. The BRZ TS does a superb job of imitating a manufacturer-tuned unique. The fog lights at the front bumper are deleted for more aggressive-looking faux intakes, plus an STI front splitter visually lowers the nose further. It looks sufficient that we're prepared to overlook the cherry blossom red accent round the grille. The sides are accentuated with STI skirts and mirrors carried out in black. The most noticeable change would be the carbon fiber wing. It's adjustable to fine-tune rear downforce for track driving, says Subaru. There's another red stripe throughout the rear bumper, lower skirts on each side and the rear diffuser, yet still more red accents inside, including around the seat bolsters, door panels, and seat belts. The visual amendments, when viewed face-to-face, make car look lower, as you move the larger wheel and tire package help lend it a squat, purposeful demeanor. Getting a better grip. All on the upgraded chassis elements combine to create everything good regarding the BRZ. Better still, including very well judged steering with approximately as much feedback when you could cure for. In the BRZ TS, exceptional rack is even sharper because of the good rubber plus the chassis stiffening. The top cross-member specifically has been said to reduce the delay between input and chassis response. We noticed no delay whatsoever. Those Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires replace the comically weak Michelin Primacy HP rubber found even for the performance package BRZ, as well as the difference in grip is astounding. Around the track, the improved traction ensures that you're no longer able to look completely sideways utilizing the accelerator. It took some effort to obtain throttle-induced oversteer and intensely revel within the BRZ's Sublime chassis balance. Now you ought to breathe off of the brakes at merely the right moment to find the back end to go out. Grip levels are higher throughout the board, but even though the method can be different, the capability to adjust the BRZ's line remains unchanged. It just happens at higher cornering speeds. Scotty, we need more power. If there's an issue, it's that, as you move the car's perfect balance is unchanged, the engine can also be unchanged. With the enhanced grip, it's too easy to cast a brighter light about the engine's shortcomings. The 2.0-liter flat from the heart on the TS still generates the 205 horsepower the conventional BRZ got for 2017. That was up 5 ponies from earlier models, but only on manual transmission cars. The automatic isn't an option around the TS. Its song continues to be the same whenever you wind it, and you still must do that. Horsepower peaks at 7,000 revolutions per minute, and also the full 156 lb-ft of torque isn't present till the engine is spinning at 6,400 revolutions per minute. The gain is turned way up about the electronic throttle calibration, probably in an effort to result in the most from the limited torque on tap. The result can be a sensitive accelerator which gives you all of an opportunity as possible to hold the BRZ TS within the power, but you'll always want to get more pull at anything below full chat. Despite this, though, it needs to be said that we opted to operate a vehicle the BRZ TS more the WRX STI Type R in the combined press launch event, in spite of the turbocharged Type R's massive power and available everywhere torque. The chassis and steering within the BRZ TS are only that good. Where the STI is really a Thor-sized sledgehammer, the BRZ is usually a razor-sharp samurai sword that merely the worthy may wield to its greatest potential. It's just hard not to ever dig it, wheezy engine or you cannot. The world is filled turbocharged hot hatches within the BRZ's budget. You must decide for yourself in the event the BRZ TS's unchanged engine causes it to be less desirable than one of people. But if balance, grip, and turn-in are a little bit your type of thing, you're not planning to find anything comparable to the BRZ TS, and it's a worthy product in the special edition treatment.